What if I told you that you could build a complete functional physique with just 5 calisthenics exercises? No gym membership, no equipment, no excuses. I spent years overcomplicating fitness until I discovered this truth: less is more. These 5 movements are all you need to build muscle, burn fat, and develop real-world strength. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now if you're serious about transforming your body without spending a dime on equipment. We drop science-backed calisthenics content every week. Subscribed? Good. Let's get into it. Here's the issue. Most programs throw 30 different exercises at you. You end up confused, overwhelmed, and making zero progress. The truth? You don't need variety. You need mastery. You need foundational movements that work multiple muscle groups and can be progressed infinitely. Exercise number 1, the push-up, the king of upper body pressing movements. It hits your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. The progression? Start with incline push-ups if needed. Master regular push-ups with perfect form. Then progress to decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, and finally, one-arm push-ups. This single exercise can take you from beginner to beast mode. 3 to 4 sets, 3 times per week. Your entire pushing movement covered. Exercise number 2, pull-ups. The ultimate test of relative strength. Builds your back, biceps, and grip like nothing else. Can't do one yet? Start with dead hangs for 20 to 30 seconds. Then negative pull-ups. Jump up and lower yourself slowly. You'll be doing full pull-ups within weeks. Once you hit 10 strict pull-ups, add a weighted vest, try archer pull-ups, or work toward the one-arm pull-up. This exercise creates that V-taper everyone wants. 3 to 4 sets, 3 times per week. Pulling movement? Done. Exercise number 3, squats, progressing to pistol squats. Your legs are your largest muscle group. Training them releases testosterone and growth hormone. Start with bodyweight squats, deep below parallel. Progress to jump squats, then Bulgarian split squats, then assisted pistol squats, and finally full pistol squat. The pistol squat is the holy grail. It requires strength, balance, and mobility. Master this, and your legs will be more developed than most gym goers. 2 to 3 sets per leg, twice per week. Quick pause. If you're getting value right now, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm massively. And drop a comment telling me which exercise you struggle with most. I read every comment and give personalized advice. Now, exercises 4 and 5 are the secret weapons most people ignore. Exercise number 4, dips. This builds massive triceps, chest, and shoulders all at once. Find parallel bars, kitchen counter corners, or sturdy chairs. Lower until shoulders are below elbows, then press up. Can't do a full dip? Start with bench dips or negatives. Progress to weighted dips, then ring dips, then archer dips, then one-arm dips for elite level. 3 sets, twice per week. Your triceps will explode. Exercise number 5, plank to L-sit progression. Your core is the foundation of everything. Start with 60-second planks with perfect form. Progress to side planks, then plank variations. But the ultimate core exercise, the L-sit. Sit on the ground, hands beside hips, lift your body with legs straight out. Start with tucked knees for 5 to 10 seconds. Work up to a 30-second L-sit, and your abs will be carved from stone. 3 to 4 sets at the end of every workout. Here's your simple program. Day 1, push and core. Push-ups, 4 sets. Dips, 3 sets. L-sit, 3 sets. Day 2, pull and legs. Pull-ups, 4 sets. Squats, 3 sets per leg. Planks, 3 sets. Day 3, rest. Repeat. 3 days a week, 45 minutes per session. You'll build more muscle than 90% of people spending hours on isolation exercises. The key is progressive overload. Every week, add 1 more rep, hold 1 more second, or progress to a harder variation. The trap is people start strong for 2 weeks, then quit, or they keep switching programs looking for perfection. This is the perfect routine. These 5 exercises have built incredible physiques for decades. You need to stay consistent. Commit to 12 weeks. Here's my final challenge. Do 3 things right now. Number 1, subscribe and turn on notifications. We're building a community getting results without gimmicks. Number 2, screenshot this workout and drop a comment saying, "I'm starting today," to publicly commit. Studies show public commitment increases follow-through by 65%. Number 3, do your first workout today, not tomorrow, right now. Drop down and do as many push-ups as you can with perfect form. That's your baseline. These are the only 5 calisthenics exercises you need. Now stop watching and start doing. Your transformation begins today.